So hello and welcome back, and today we're gonna take out the backlights on this MK8 Ford Fiesta, and this was an ST line. I mean, it still is an ST line, but yeah. So basically you have this and this lamp on the left side, and same one goes on the right side. Process is pretty much simple. Let's start. So basic tools you're gonna need are these three, probably nothing else. So there is little hole over here, if you check out like this. So I don't know if you're gonna see, but there is a little hole inside of it. Same goes on the other side, and we have this white bulb that is holding everything in place. So yeah, see, yeah, so you need just to turn this around, and for that you're gonna need a screwdriver. Usually it's easy. I'm not really sure if you're gonna see, if you're gonna be able to see. So let me a little adjust this. So yeah, I'm gonna unscrew those. So this is the pin that is holding it all together. So this little bit screwed, this is why you need a screwdriver. Same goes on the other side. Over here the screw is here, so you just unscrew it, and then it's basically, as you can see, there is one little pin here. That's why you need this little tool to unpin it. So you can see here the pin. So this is the only pin that is holding it all together. So basically after that it is just that. So once you took it out, there is this little pin over here. Let me try this with one hand, but it's not that really smart to do it with one hand. But it just basically click in. So you need to click this one in and pull out like this. So, and there you have it. So that's the out left side, and as it is an ST line, so basically most of them come with the LED lights. So yeah, now continue on the left side. Let me unbolt this one, and then it's the same procedure with this side as well. So as soon you did unscrew it, the lamp gets loose, and again you need to take this in consideration. You really don't want to break anything. I found most easy it's with the plastic, but there are some other options after all. So the pin is out. After you take out the pin, as you can see over here, again the same tactic goes, and just need to click down. So you click it down and pull out, so like this. So that's the second lamp. So right one outside. So these are the two lamps that goes on the outside, and next up we have on the top side. So you need to take these plastics off, and it's pretty much simple. Just unscrew these and take out the electricity out. So electricity out, unscrew this one. Same goes here. Electricity out and unscrew. I use this for this process, as it seems like most easy way. Just need to unscrew one little bit. As soon you did unscrew it once, a little bit once, it goes by the hand easier. So yeah, like this. Nothing overly too special, but it's easier when you know what you're doing and what you are looking for. So here we go. That's the one. Then should put down the, and after that you just click out. So there is a little pin over here. If you have problems, the pin is here, so you need to put this plastic on the from upside of here. So I hope you can see, so from here. But when the car is kind of newer, or somebody did replace anything in before, then it goes a little bit easier. But when the car gets older, yeah, could be a little bit problem. So and if you're removing it, you should probably use some grease or some spray for that. Like this one does not want to click out as easy, so we're gonna use the plastic tool, because I really don't want to break anything, and it is kind of easy to break these lamps. I did it a few times already, so yeah, maybe should have used a little bit more tools. So let's see, like this. It's kind of hard with one hand, to be honest, but yeah, we'll try. So here, once you get it in, it's not that hard to unplug it out. So maybe try a little bit from this side, but yeah, so from this side it goes really easy. So just when it's out, clicked out, so it's much more easy. And here's my little cat as well. So that's about that. And as again, these are as well LED lights, so LED lights. So yeah, that's basically that for. And you should always put these back, even if you're, because they are kind of easy to lose, and you don't want to have holes in your car after that. So basically I'm done with this. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and follow, and I hope I can see you guys in the next one. So till next one, see ya.